You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary from English as well, so stay tuned. So the top word has two different pronunciations. In the UK, in British English, it's usually said as direct, okay, direct. While in America, in US English, it's said as direct, okay, direct or direct. Then some people in the UK would use the other, and vice versa. Okay, it's not completely UK versus USA. But anyhow, the bottom word is pretty much the same. Directly versus directly. Sorry, my voice is going. Directly or directly. So, direct, directly, directly. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.